Jesus Christ.
Hello and welcome to Scientifically Speaking. And what has the Spirit done today to get me to look at one of my old videos? And by old video, I mean it's 2 days old, and it was about the Illuminati and the Masons, and I found the Illuminati triangle, hands with an eye inside it, on this very magnet. Now, I had a look at it today to see, if it was a decent video. I thought, yeah. And while I'm watching this, all I can see is the red circle in the middle. And then I see the wings on either side. Everybody can see these wings, right? And what looks like a tail. Wings, red, wings. Bit like this, really. Especially that guy right there. I'm going to have to take a screenshot of that, aren't I? All right, and these. So, these pictures are all with wings and a red sun. Wings and a red sun. Wings, wings, this one right here. I'd click on it, but then it moves over to the right and you can't see it. But that is this. Wings coming around. Tail. Wings coming around tail. And now, oh yeah, I forgot about this. In each foot on this right here is a red dot. Same as this red dot. There's a red dot here. And then what do we see here and here? Due to this arrangement, it shows the two red dots on this Egyptian bird feet. So you got, according to my magnetic arrangement of a round magnet surrounded by half-size round magnets, 5 of them equally spaced in like a star shape, you get in the center a red hole, and then where each magnet is connected, the tail is actually where the magnet is. The connection between magnets is where the black hole is. Like right here is the magnet. Here is the connection between this magnet and this magnet. This hole here is because of this magnet connected to this magnet, as if fingers were grasping each other to form a tube. So you got one in the center, that hole there, this set of wings, this kind of tail looking thing, which actually comes down here. And then we got this bird right here with a red sun on its head, between its feet, 2 wings and a tail. Tail, wings, spot, spot, spot. Tell me that's not another incredible discovery that can be found on a magnet. And it's 3 of them have been found on this magnet. First of all, we have the eye of Ezekiel's eyes with this one. I'll just play it, but I'll turn the sound down. And we'll see what happens. So you may see the eye come up here. Depends on, I've zoomed in. But so, yeah, so we got the red sun, the 2 holes. We can see one of them in the corner here. And then wings coming around with the one in the middle. There we go. With a tail and everything. And the 2 black holes. It's the same as this. And I made videos about Egypt and the fact that it's all to do with electromagnetism, and everything written on the walls in all these different countries, all showing all this stuff on the walls, all the carvings, are to do with electricity and magnetism. And the Illuminati know this. People in the past knew what energy travel was. We were smarter in the past. I've said that for the last 10 years. We were smarter in the past, and we have declined. Civilization has declined over the last 6,000 years. So, I think it's quite categorically cool to say, yeah. Can we get it without the... Yeah, there we go. So, yeah. So, we got our wings. We've got our two wings on the side, two black holes over here. And that just happens to be because that's the way God directed me to arrange the magnets. All under a ferrocell. So I think that's... Here we go with coincidence again. There's no such thing as coincidence. And the odds of me finding this bird here with two black holes and one on its head, and then on a magnet arrangement, tell me life isn't to do with electricity and magnetism. God says, I am the life, the truth, and the way. What is life? If you remove electricity and magnetism, there is no life. All atoms are electricity and magnetism. And all other frequencies that come from electricity and magnetism. Everything from radio waves, TV waves, gamma rays, you name those rays, they all come from electricity and magnetism. You remove that from the universe and everything would shrink and disappear as if it never existed. And that's what God does. Electricity binds and contracts. Magnetism rotates and inflates. This is my body. This is my blood. Electricity and magnetism. That's why we would feed off it, because we would be energy beings in need of energy. So we would feed off the main battery, the Lord, who would give us electricity and magnetism, his blood, his body. Thanks very much. My name is Lee. I follow the Christ. And these are all part of the things that he showed me in visions over 10 years ago, which I've already put on video in the past. But to see all three of these different biblical things and worldly things and historical things and secret things on one magnet arrangement, that's because these things that I'm saying are from God to make you aware that God is real. He permeates the entire universe. He can change anything at any point and do anything he wants. Turn to Jesus, because he's going to be here soon, relatively speaking. Thanks very much. My name is Lee. I follow the Christ, and you should too. Thanks a lot. Bye.